Hello everyone. My name is Lisa. Today, I want to share my daily routine with you. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can follow along easily. This video will help you learn useful words and phrases for everyday life. Are you ready? Let's begin. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. My alarm rings, and I turn it off. Sometimes I feel sleepy, but I get up anyway. I stretch my arms, then go to the bathroom. In the bathroom, I brush my teeth and wash my face with cold water. It helps me wake up. Sometimes I take a shower. I look in the mirror and smile. Next, I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. I usually eat toast with butter and eggs. Sometimes I eat cereal or fruit. I always drink a hot cup of green tea. While eating, I listen to music or check my phone. After breakfast, I get dressed. I usually wear jeans and a simple shirt. If it's cold, I wear a sweater. Then I brush my hair, check my bag, put on my shoes, and leave the house. I walk to the bus stop, just 5 minutes from my home. The bus ride takes about 20 minutes. On the bus, I sometimes listen to music, check my phone, or simply relax. When I arrive, I greet the security guard and take the elevator to the 3rd floor. My work starts at 9 o'clock. I work in a small office with friendly people. First, I check emails and look at my schedule. My job is busy but enjoyable. I write reports, send emails, talk to clients, and have short meetings with coworkers. At 12:30, I take a lunch break. I usually bring food from home, like sandwiches, fruit, or rice with vegetables. Sometimes I buy something small outside. I eat with my coworkers, and we chat about daily life. It's a nice time to relax. In the afternoon, I continue working until 5 o'clock. Then I turn off my computer, pack my bag, and say goodbye. After work, I take the bus home. When I arrive, I change into comfortable clothes and rest for a while. Sometimes I watch TV, read a book, or just sit quietly. Around 7 o'clock, I cook dinner, simple meals like pasta, rice with vegetables, or salad. Cooking helps me relax. After eating, I wash the dishes and clean the kitchen. Later, I enjoy my free time. I might watch a movie, call a friend, listen to music, or write in my journal. At about 9:30 or 10 o'clock, I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and change into pajamas. I like to keep my room tidy before sleeping. I read a few pages of a book, then reflect on my day, what I did well, what made me happy, and what I can improve tomorrow. Around 10:30, I turn off the lights, lie down, and close my eyes. I feel grateful for the day and smile to myself. Good night, Lisa. And then, I fall asleep.